What's up, guys? It's Oscar the truck guy here. Just got back from our drive from Mexico, and we ended up picking something pretty nice. Picking up something pretty nice. Here I come, baby. Baby, don't chill. I don't have to run no game. I've done no stuff. Young and gifted, my tongue's prolific, and the beats from below is how I bung in Christmas with a come on, the Fortnite is real sickness, contagious. Here I come. So first things first, I drove this thing from Mexico doing 45 miles per hour. The transmission's bad, it's not shifting into third and fourth gear. I only got first and second, so first things first, I'm gonna get that transmission out of there and send it to get rebuilt. And while that's happening, I'm gonna try to put a lot of trim on there, paint the wheels and everything, and get that figured out while it's getting that transmission rebuilt. So let's get right to it. So the first thing we're doing here is we're gonna take these original steelies and we're gonna repaint them. And I have some hubcaps that go here, GMC ones, and that's my plan for now. I'm gonna take these off before I take the transmission to get rebuilt, because I don't know how long that will take and how long I'll have this up on jack stand. So while that happens, I could be painting these up and mounting new wheels on them. As you can see, it's pretty cracked. This one's worse over here. Let me find it right there. It's pretty bad. Drove this from Mexico for like an hour and nothing bad went wrong, so that's good. I do have some other wheels that I'm going to throw on here in the meantime. Those were off of the 77 step side. They look like that. So we'll just get right to that. Okay, so we're out here day number 2 since getting this 1983 GMC C1500 back. So some of the things that I've done, show you guys. I have put the grill and headlight bezels back on. This isn't the original grill. This is the billet grill, as people call it. I do have the original grill. I'm just in the process of restoring it. It had a few broken tabs and stuff, so doing that right now. I also switched the wheels up a little bit. These ones are off of the 1977 C10. The ones that it had on were black, and my color combo that I'm going for is to make those white. Make those white steelies with the stock GMC hubcaps, and they should break up the color a little bit. I also installed the tailgate panel. As you can see, I think it breaks it up a little bit more, breaks up the back a lot more, if we're being honest. And last but not least, I got the transmission fluid drained, and the transmission is under the truck. It's pretty much loose. All it's being held up by is like 2 bolts on the bell housing and the cross member. So today, early in the morning, I went up to my friend's and picked up this transmission jack so I can get that transmission up out of there and send it to get rebuilt. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. We'll see how that goes. So let's just say that's the first and last transmission I ever take out, because I struggled so much. But as you can see, the truck's at stock height, but I still needed to use some 2x4s to be able to get that transmission up and out of there. Here's that cross member, and we go over here and we got the transmission sitting right here. What messed up this transmission, I think, is that it's got 4 little prongs right here, and that's for the lockup converter. And when I was unhooking stuff, nothing was plugged into here. So if you don't have anything plugged into the lockup converter thing, it'll burn up your transmission real fast. It'll burn up. So this is a 700R4, so it's got third and fourth gear, and I'm assuming that's what got burnt up, because it wouldn't shift out of second gear. It wanted to go into third gear, but wouldn't really do it. So that's what I'm guessing. So Here's that transmission. And well, it's time to send this to the transmission shop to get rebuilt. Hopefully it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. And while that's getting rebuilt, plans are to keep adding trim, maybe clean up this engine bay a little bit. Since I live in Cochise County, there's no need for all this stuff. This is just emissions, an emissions tank, emissions lines. Most of them are unplugged, unhooked. So I'll get rid of that, clean up a bunch of this wiring in here, make this look real nice, because the plan is to sell this truck for a profit and let the people know what I do. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Here I come, JD. There you go, Phil. I don't have to run no game, I've done no stuff. Young and gifted, my tongue's prolific, and the beach bungalow is how I bung and twist.